Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to take your English from okay to native level confidence, today's video is going to give you exactly what you need. Because the truth is, speaking English like a native isn't about being perfect. It's about building the right daily habits. And trust me, these habits actually work. So let's jump straight into it. Habit 1. Listen to real American English every day. If you want to sound like a native, you have to hear how natives actually talk. That means listening to podcasts, interviews, YouTubers, casual conversations, not textbook dialogues. Spend at least 15 minutes a day listening to real voices with real speed, and your speaking rhythm will start to change automatically. Habit 2. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing is one of the most powerful and underrated techniques. Just play a clip of a native speaker and repeat everything they say in real time. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. The goal is to copy their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. You'll sound more natural in just a few weeks. Habit 3. Use English for your daily activities. Switch your phone, apps, playlists, and even grocery lists to English. The more your brain sees English as your default, the more native your speaking becomes. Little moments add up fast. Habit 4. Learn natural phrases, not just vocabulary. Native speakers don't say, "I am feeling very happy." They say, "I'm so excited," or "that made my day." Learn phrases, expressions, and chunks of language. It's how real English works. Habit 5. Record yourself speaking every day. This one might feel awkward, but it's incredibly effective. Record 1 to 2 minutes of yourself talking about your day, your plans, or your goals. When you listen back, you'll catch mistakes you didn't realize you were making. Habit 6. Think in English even if it's simple. Stop translating in your head. Instead of thinking, "I am tired" in your native language, just think it in English. Start with short thoughts and build from there. This alone can transform your fluency. Habit 7. Practice with native speakers regularly. Apps, online tutors, language exchanges, anything works. Talking to natives helps you fix pronunciation, learn natural expressions, and understand real-life communication. Even one 20-minute conversation a week makes a huge difference. Habit 8. Read out loud. Grab a paragraph from a book, blog, or article and read it out loud using natural expression. This improves your pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking confidence at the same time. Habit 9. Learn the music of English. English has a melody. Pitch rises, falls, stresses, intonation patterns. Native speakers don't talk word by word, they talk in groups. When you learn the music of English, people will instantly feel like you sound more native. Habit 10. Use English to express your real personality. Don't try to sound like a dictionary. Joke in English. Complain in English. Tell stories in English. The more you express your true personality, the more naturally you speak. Fluency comes from being yourself in the language. So that's it. 10 daily habits that can take your English from basic to native level natural. Remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. Just be consistent. A little practice every day beats 5 hours once a week.